With the geometric construction, see there is nothing. Only you should know how to draw tangents from which points they are given. If they say on the circle, then you should know what steps you have to take. On the circle, what you have to do? Just with the radius, extend it, divide it on both the parts, then taking more than half, draw an arc here, draw an arc here, again with this center, cut the arc, join. This becomes, then what they have told you, that the point is outside. So there is nothing to get worried about it. कि कैसे बनाना पड़ेगा. This is the point. Then what we have to do? We have to bisect, draw a perpendicular bisector of this line which I taught you how to draw, taking more than half of this distance, draw an arc here from point O and then from point P also, cutting it like this, then joining it, you get the perpendicular bisector. Then with OX as center, radius, draw an arc, cutting the circle at 2 points, so you get the tangents, join it like this and like this. It is all the same. Sometimes they will say that I have given you a chord of 6.6 centimeter or something. So main thing is that you have to utilize the center. Now here in this sum, what they are saying, very simple it is. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. I think class 4 standard students also can draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. You must do these marking to get full marks, otherwise you are not going to get it. Okay? Then we have to draw a chord of length 5.7 centimeter. It means that it will be longer than your radius, right? But it will not be the diameter, because diameter becomes 6.8, double of this. It is not that, it is 5.7. So let us take, supposing this is line here, and what is the name is given, MN. So let us name it as MN. How much is it? 5.7 centimeter. How you are going to draw this 5.7? Take it on the compass, put the compass point here and cut that 5.7 wherever it gets cut, the circle. Then with this point and the point where you have cut your compass point, join it, then you get that chord MN 5.7 centimeter in it. Now you have to construct tangents from M and N. So what have you learned? That we have to utilize the center, right? So to utilize the center, what we should do? Just we can join this and join this point, you can imagine. Okay? From the center, just join it. Anyway, then what we have to do? What have you learned how to do it? We will have to imagine that this is the point M, right? So when you are joining it like this, then extend it like this. Extend it. Okay? Like here we are given, then what we used to do is to extend it like this, right? So in the same manner, here also, let us draw it properly, a little bit more clear for you people's vision. Supposing the line was here, the chord like this, the chord like this, okay? Joining it. When you are joining this with the center, take it like this, and here also on this side, draw it in this manner. Then what we have to do? Take some convenient radius, cut an arc here, cut an arc on this side, right? So we got an arc here like this. Then taking more than half of XY, we have to draw an arc on this side and this side. Then the same thing this side, and from point Y we have to draw it here like this. Then we have to join this point and this point. Okay? So like this you will get a tangent. It will go like this. Then again similarly out here with center this center N and this line which has been extended. Take some convenient radius, draw an arc on this side, draw an arc on this side. Mark it. Taking, let it be x dash, y dash. Again taking more than half of x dash, y dash, draw an arc on this side and an arc of this side from point x dash and similarly from point y dash. Okay. Then join these intersection points with the point M. Draw a straight line passing through these. Okay. Like this. So this is the tangent. This now if you extend this tangent like this and you extend this tangent like this, then they will meet at a point. They are meeting at a point. Let it be A. So A, M and A, N are the required tangents. A, M and A, N are the required tangents from point M and N respectively. Okay. Again, I can tell you once more if you want. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Draw a chord of length 5.7 centimeter. MN. Then what we have to do? Join it with the center and extend it further. Straight. Extend it. This is not coming properly. This is the radius 3.4 centimeter. Join it like this and after joining it, extend it straight. Similarly, join ON and extend it like in this manner. Okay. Then you have to just draw a perpendicular bisector. This is N. What we have to do? Take center M. Take a convenient arc. Draw on this side and on this side of opposite sides of M. Then let it be XY. Then taking more than half of XY. Draw an arc on this side, on the line this side, and with the same distance from point V Y also cut the previous arc, and then we have to join it. Then we will get the tangent. Similarly, you have to do it from here also. Point N, take any convenient distance, mark it here, X dash, X dash, and then mark it here, Y dash. Then taking more than half of X dash and Y dash, mark an arc here, mark an arc here, and then from point Y also cut the initial arc. Then you have to join these 3 points. Okay, and when you extend these 2 tangents, then they will meet at a point. Let it be point A. Right? Then AM and AN are your required tangents. Okay. Now you can solve 4.2 exercise completely. If you have any problem, please do call me. If you have not called me and the day I take your test, then it should be very clear that you know all the sums. Write the steps also properly. Thank you.